a very compassionate person, very, very caring, self-made, and he's a rock star.
She's just too smart. She knows things in advance. Maturity level बहुत better है, social है, सुलझी भी जिसे कहते हैं ना. She's alpha. She's alpha.
When we were little kids in school, so the journey begins right from there.
जन्माष्टमी competition था. Luckily मैं कृष्ण बना हुआ था और वो राधा, and we have a pic of our both of us.
Tanu, thanks for all that you've been, thanks for all that you are, and thank you for all that you're yet to be.
I just want to say I love you, Aditi, and I'll keep you happy. I think be what you are. I'm marrying you. I've loved you because what you are. Just be the same. Don't ever change for anybody, not even for me.
I just want Tanu to be the way he is. He's absolutely my rock star.
Give me love like her. Cause lately I've been waking up alone. Paint splattered teardrops on my shirt. Told you I'd let them go, that I'll fight my corner. Maybe tonight I'll call you after my blood.
You know that instinct when it comes that he's the one? So that happened long back.
Really long time back, and I actually proposed her on a train. We were coming back from a school trip.
He was wearing a black tie, I still remember. He was in all black. He wasn't saying anything. So I pulled his tie. I said, will you say or you want me to say? So it took 2 minutes and then he said it. I didn't take a lot of time.
And luckily she also said yes.
Yes, he's the man. He's my man. I was so happy. I was just jumping.
Give a little time to me. We'll burn this out. We'll play hide and seek to turn this around. And all I want is the taste that your lips allow. My oh, give me love, give a little time to me. Burn this out, we'll play hide and seek to turn this around. All I want is the taste that your lips allow. My oh, give me love.
Whenever I'm around him, I'm always smiling, always giggling, always bantering, and just myself. That's the biggest thing for any girl.
I'm really happy and I'm really looking forward to all the events. I hope this is a great start.
बैंक में जब ये नौकरी करती थी तो हमने इसको बोला कि अब तू नौकरी छोड़ के आ जा, हमने तेरे लिए लड़का देखना है। फिर इसने हमें आने के बाद घर आके बताया कि मम्मी आप ये बताओ कि तन्नू कैसा लड़का है। मैंने बोला कि हाँ तन्नू तो बहुत अच्छा लड़का है, क्योंकि मैं तो उसको बचपन से ही जानती थी। मैंने कहा हाँ उसको घर पे बुला लो खाने पे, मैं उससे मिलना चाहती हूँ।
It was a 3-hour meeting sort of. So when during the 3 hours he spoke everything but not the fact that he wants to get married to me. In the last 15 minutes I was telling him speak something. So then
उसने मुझे बोला आंटी मैं अदिति से शादी करना चाहता हूँ।
When he said it, my parents took a 1 month time, but then they finally agreed.
और बहुत अच्छे क्षण थे हमारे लिए ये कि इससे अच्छा लड़का मुझे मिल ही नहीं सकता, इतना शरीफ, इतना इंटेलिजेंट।
I'm really happy that it's happening with the consent of my parents.
We are very happy. बहुत बढ़िया वो है, मैं देखा जो है इंसान भी बहुत अच्छा है, उसके दिल में मैंने देखा जो है काफ़ी दया भाव इसमें,
प्यार
सच्चाई भी है जो इसमें। प्लस मेरे को 2 साल से थोड़ा वो था।
Right now, at this very special moment, my childhood memories, it's a flashback all through once again at one point, at this point of time. And right when I used to be a little kid.
ये एक दिन ऐसा होता है कि जिसकी भी लड़की है उसके हर एक उसमें आता है, बचपन से ही कुछ ना कुछ सोच के तो रखा ही होता है हर आदमी ने जो है, पर ये इतनी निडर रही है, मुझे इसके बारे में कभी कुछ सोचने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ी।
I'm gonna miss each and everybody at home, mom, dad, Swati, everybody at home.
दादी दादा नु होवे जिन्ना ने गाया मंगलाचार जीवा धाई होवे.
So I remember that my only motive to win a medal or win anything used to be when on the certificates they write Aditi, daughter of Mr. Vinod Batheja. So that was one prestigious moment for me that my father's name is also there on the certificate. So that was something that was my motivation to bag more and more medals and trophies in the school. So Papa, I'm gonna miss you the most. I love you.
rock of this family. We all depend on him.
And he has mingled very well with our family. He takes care of everybody actually, our mom, dad, all our relatives.
और बहुत ही समझदार, रिस्पॉन्सिबल है.
We feel that he's been with us since our childhood. We just know him.
But Tanu is a sweetheart and
very, very, very nice guy. He's just so caring, so understanding, and he is also overprotective for Aditi.
आज मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि मेरी ज़िंदगी का पूरा मेहनत सफल हो गई.
पूछती रहती थी मैं सांझ सवेरे, कौन है तन्नू तेरे मन को है घेरे, बता दे हम तेरे उससे कर दे ये फेरे, क्यों रोज़ रोज़ तू तंग करता है मेरा ये मन, वो कौन है दिल में किसको करता है तू पसंद. मम्मा ये सुन लो आप, अदिति मेरे मन में, लाऊंगा घर में उसको फेरे के संग में, लाऊंगा मम्मी करके फेरे में संग में, ना हो ये अब तुम तंग अदिति मेरे है संग, लाऊंगा मैं घर में करके फेरे में ये संग. ला 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 ला.
यारो दोस्ती बड़ी ही हसीन है, ये ना हो तो क्या फिर बोलो ये जिंदगी है, कोई तो हो राज़दार बेधड़क तेरा हो यार, कोई तो दिलबर हो यार. यारो दोस्ती बड़ी ही हसीन है, ये ना हो तो क्या फिर बोलो ये जिंदगी है.
चाल देखो, आंखों की मचाल देखो, करे ये धमाल देखो, अरे दिल को तुम संभाल देखो, अरे राम जी की चाल देखो, आंखों की मचाल देखो, करे ये धमाल देखो, अरे दिल को तुम संभाल देखो, अरे चाल देखो ढाल देखो, रगों में उबाल देखो, देखो 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 देखो.
love you. You know that, right? Now we have literally grown up together, from being kids to mature girls. Okay, let's accept it, mature women. तेरी शादी है यार, my best friend's wedding.
We've known Aditi for a long time now, and it's a privilege and honor to have her in our family.
और उसने अपने तन्नू के दिल में नहीं, हम सबके दिल में बहुत अच्छी जगह बनाई है.
She is very, very lively. I mean, she makes every occasion so lively, and she adds color to all the occasions.
बीए में भी साथ में थी, कॉलेज में हॉस्टल में बहुत मस्ती की है, पूरे टाइम साथ में रहते थे.
I've officially become their bhabhi, jathani. A lot of roles have been attached to me.
We've grown up together. It's been an amazing journey so far. Didn't realize the time, it just went by, and then now she's getting married, and I'm very happy about her getting married.
She's actually very, very caring. So you know, she's actually a perfectionist.
पढ़ाई हमेशा बहुत अच्छी रही है, बहुत मस्ती स्वभाव है, बहुत मस्तीदार है.
चिकन बिल्कुल नहीं खाती थी, उसको बिल्कुल नहीं पसंद होता था चिकन.
पूरा अगर इतना बड़ा प्लेट होता था सारा खाएगी, एक पीस छोड़ देगी, बोलती कि बिल्कुल अच्छा नहीं था.
बिल्कुल नहीं खाया जा रहा है.
और बहुत ही ब्रेव लड़की है.
My classmates, somebody used to steal my sharpener or pencil, or there were some guys who used to touch my cheeks. That's what Aditi has told me. So when they used to touch my cheeks, now Aditi used to come running, and she used to slap all of them very hard. How dare you touch my sister?
I'm excited. I'm not nervous. I knew this would happen, so I'm okay. I'm really happy that I'm getting married to Aditi. So this is something really big for us, and I'm thankful to God, thankful to her that you know, I am seeing this day. I just hope that I keep her happy all the way.
It's a beautiful night. We're looking for something dumb to do. Hey baby, I think I wanna marry you. Is it the look in your eyes, or is it this dancing juice? Who cares, baby? I think I wanna marry you. Well, I know this little chapel on the boulevard we can go. No one will know. Oh, come on, girl. Who cares if we're trash? Got a pocket full of cash we can blow.
The day is here. I've been waiting for so long, and I'm just glad to be his life partner, and I just wish I keep him happy, even more happy the way he is today.
And we'll go, 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 go. If you're ready, like I'm ready, 'cause it's a beautiful night. We're looking for.
Firstly, welcome all of you who've attended this occasion. Grace their blessings onto the couple and bless them for life. And at the outset, I would also like to welcome Aditi into the folds of our family.
I would like to wish them all the best for a very, very, very wonderful journey ahead of this married life. And I'm sure they're going to rock it like they always have. They make a very good couple.
And both of them make a lovely couple together. And I wish them all the best and a great married life going forward.
Is it the look in your eyes, or is it this dancing juice? Who cares, baby? I think I wanna marry you. Oh, I'll go get a ring, let the choir bells sing like ooh. So what you wanna do?
कि भगवान करे इन सबको दुनिया का सारा सुख मिले.
और आज अदिति की शादी है, बहुत ही अच्छा दिन है। अदिति के लिए मैं गॉड से प्रार्थना करती हूँ कि अपने घर में तन्नू के साथ बहुत खुश रहे।
और मैं भगवान से यही प्रार्थना करती हूँ कि भगवान इनका जोड़ा हमेशा बना रहे, ज़िंदगी की सारी खुशियाँ इनको मिले, हमेशा बड़ों के लिए इनके दिल में इज्जत बनी रहे और हमेशा ज़िंदगी की सारी खुशियाँ जो हैं इनकी
I wish Aditi and Tanu a very, very, very happy married life.
Hey baby, I think I wanna.
They've been together since मतलब एकदम ही बचपन, वो तो 3-4 साल थे तब से राधा कृष्ण बन के मतलब they've been a couple since forever and they made for each other and God bless them. They're the best couple I've ever seen. Really.
God bless them.
Yeah. I wish you the bestest of life as you grow old together.
तो अदिति ने कहा कि मंडपम मधुपर्कम चा लाजा होम परिक्रमा, मंडप सजाने से इस स्थान की शोभा हुई, मधुपर्क खाने से
लगन लागे रे तो से प्यार बलम केसरी, तो से प्यार लगन लागी रे तो से लागी रे बलम केसरी, तो से लागी रे जी में से बसे जादू सा क्या कर दिया है मोगरे फूल से मैं खिली, लम्हा हर पल जुड़ा तुमसे ही रंगीनिया है, सौंधी सी खुशबुएं महकी सी, लगन लागी रे तो से लागी रे बलम केसरी, तो से लागी रे।
So Aditi, as you set your foot in your new life with the in-laws tags and being Tanu's wife, may the angelic smile never vanish and all your blues and woes banish. As you are all poised to wed, we wish you bliss in your life ahead. Go rock the world, my girl, because euphoria awaits to world.